one main theme that actually never was played in its entirety, that sort of ran through Indecent. And it's a tune that, you know, when you write, this was sort of the biggest theater project that I've done, but I've done other theater works, and you know, you look for a thread, you look for, you need a certain theme. And so I was trying to find a theme that would represent not only the girls' love, but the hope that they represented.